Let's get cooking. Cooking food on a camp stove is a lot easier than a campfire. And that's because you can control the heat just like you would at home. What you'll need is a camp stove. This is a Coleman 2-burner propane camp stove. We'll keep most of our dishes to one pot, but I like having the second burner because that way we can use it for brewing coffee or making some hot tea. Generally, we'll bring 1 can of propane for each day we're camping, assuming we're gonna be cooking a couple of meals for a group, but I always pack an extra, just in case. A lighter, you can also use matches, pot or pan. We happen to have this one for camping. Also a spatula. We've got our cutting board and knife, as well as our bowls and utensils. Oh, and the food. For dinner tonight, we're gonna have gnocchi and vegetables. Let's turn the heat on with our knob here, and then we're also gonna be lighting at the same time. I don't really measure a lot when I'm camping, but I just put enough oil in so that things don't stick. I'm gonna cook up the gnocchi first. I like to cook with 1 pan, so that way it cuts down on the number of dishes afterwards. We just cooked the gnocchi in here, and now I'm gonna do the vegetables. To make it easier to cook while you're camping, we like to cut up vegetables ahead of time, and then that way you don't have to do as much prep outside. So we like to keep our recipes simple with 5 ingredients or less. That way it just makes it easier on the grocery shopping. So we just added the kidney beans in. It takes about 15 minutes for veggies to cook in this pan. We keep these seasonings in our kitchen tote just so we can add it to any dish. If I'm home, I'll add cayenne pepper, but when I'm out, I'll use whatever seasonings we have in the tote, quite honestly, and it just makes it good. Now I'm gonna add the gnocchi in. I'm gonna enjoy this. All right, we have finished. We've got dinner ready. I think it's time to sit down and enjoy this. Now that's camping.